Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can turn on data saver on Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, open your settings application on your Android phone, and then you can select connection setting right here, and then after that you can click on data usage right here guys. Then since we want to activate the data saver, we can click on data saver option. Then you can click on this toggle button to activate the data saver. You can tap on the toggle button, then the data saver will be activated. Alright, and this data saver helps us cut down our data usage by preventing apps from using data in the background. But you can also allow a certain application to use data in the background by clicking on this option. Then you just need to select the application. Then for example, I'm going to select Facebook. So you can also skip this step if you don't want to allow certain application to use the data in the background guys. And that's how we can activate the data saver on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.